If your Xbox One controller won't connect, you're not alone. This is one of the most common Xbox problems, and it can happen suddenly, even if the controller worked perfectly before. In this video, we'll go through the most reliable fixes step by step, starting with the easiest solutions and moving toward the more advanced ones, so you can get back to gaming as quickly as possible. Number 1. Check power. The first thing to check is whether the controller is actually powered on. Press and hold the Xbox button on the controller. If nothing lights up, the batteries are likely dead or too weak to maintain a wireless connection. Even if the controller turns on briefly and then shuts off, low battery power can still be the problem. Replace the batteries with fresh ones or fully recharge your battery pack before moving on to other fixes. Number 2. Repair controller. If the controller powers on but won't connect, it may have lost its pairing with the console. This often happens if the controller was previously connected to another Xbox, a PC, or a mobile device. Turn on your Xbox One, then press the pairing button on the console. After that, press and hold the pairing button on the controller until the Xbox button starts blinking rapidly. Once the light becomes solid, the controller has successfully reconnected. Number 3. Use USB cable. If wireless pairing doesn't work, connect the controller directly to the Xbox using a USB cable. This forces a connection and often fixes pairing issues instantly. A wired connection also helps determine whether the problem is wireless related or hardware related. If the controller works perfectly with a cable but not wirelessly, the issue is usually interference or outdated firmware. Number 4. Restart console. Sometimes the problem isn't the controller, it's the console. A simple power cycle can clear temporary software glitches. Hold the Xbox power button for about 10 seconds until the console shuts down completely. Unplug the power cable for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn the console on. After restarting, try connecting the controller again. Number 5. Update firmware. Xbox controllers run firmware, and outdated firmware can cause connection problems. Connect the controller to the Xbox using a USB cable, then go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Accessories. Select your controller and check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the console. This step is especially important if the controller was used on another device recently. Number 6. Test another controller. To isolate the problem, try connecting a different controller to the same Xbox. If another controller connects without any issues, the original controller may have a hardware problem. If no controller connects at all, the issue could be with the Xbox's internal wireless module. This step helps determine where the real fault lies. If none of these solutions work, it may be time to contact Xbox support. At this point, the controller or console could have a hardware defect that requires repair or replacement. Xbox support can guide you through warranty options or advanced diagnostics to resolve the issue properly.